going the right way, but we see people up there. We're gonna guess that the falls are that way. We've been walking for about 10 more minutes, I think, so hopefully it is this way. What was I gonna say? Oh yeah, so you probably saw that I was successful in finding the waterfall, the right one. I found one, but not the right one. So my husband has kindly decided to take me out again to try and find it. It mainly is because I didn't have a proper paper map. I think he called it like an ordnance map, where it has like all the lines of the steepness, which I'll show you guys if you've never seen one before, because I've never seen one. So I left my daughter at home because she was actually fed up of trying to find the place and wanted to go home. So that's why I decided to try one more time before we get back to a normal week. So we are just filling up, and I will let you know when we get there. Do you have to walk over the bridge?
Huh?
I said, do we get to walk over the bridge?
Yeah.
Woohoo!
What I'm doing is I'm following the river.
Say hi.
Hi.
The sandstone, he said. Pretty. Okay, so I'm listening to husband. He said you have to follow the natural progression of the water. So we see what happens. So I'm with him now, so it's all good. I'm not too scared. Okay, so you might recognize this bit. We're back here again. Okay, so husband believes that we have more paths to find because he's the CEO of hiking. I'm gonna follow him and we're gonna find it.
That's a bit. Is that way? Or is that way?
Can you get up? What about this bit here? There's another gate there.
Yeah.
Right. I wonder how people feel with people just walking in their garden.
Oh! At the end of the day, here for a long time, so it's one of them things.
Is it this way, you think?
Yeah.
There's no way Grace would have done this with me. Okay, just an update. We have found another sign. Okay. A wee break, not a wee break, but we had a small break because we were not sure if we were going the right way. But we see people up there. We're gonna guess that the falls are that way. We've been walking for about 10 more minutes, I think. So hopefully it is this way. We are a lot closer to water now. I've trusted him. My other cameras died, so we're gonna do a bit more of the stills or little cuts so you can catch it all before this one runs out too. Mini one over there. I'm not sure how you get to it, but there's one back there. So I can't zoom in. I'll take a picture and post it. Here's one part of the waterfall. It's quite loud. But yeah, that was actually quite fun. Enjoyed that very much. So we're gonna head back on that path there. I did step in the water a little bit, but it's okay. But yeah, so happy we found it. Right, so we're heading back now. That was super fun. Sun's out. I wish I could get the camera view to be nicer, but yeah, sun's out. You see that stamp? It's a sad face. Gorilla in disguise, and that's what you are. Okay, we're at the other side now. There's a house down there that we walked past. Ooh, David just said he found a gate. Cool, because our aim is to go back down that way. Back onto the main road. I'm just doing my video, so we're back onto the main road. And there's our chuk. There's a nice BMW over there. Acres. I mean, 71 acres, does that include the waterfall? Does that mean I'll move in tomorrow?
That's a National Heritage Site, I don't know, but
Yeah.
unless it is a touch of. It's not really too far down from Yorkshire.
Well, maybe because we're like Peak, isn't a Peak District thingy part of Yorkshire?
Yeah, but it's Peak District's 160 square miles.
So Staffordshire, maybe Yorkshire, Staffordshire,
Staffordshire, definitely, Derbyshire definitely, and then whatever the other
What was the other one? Derbyshire.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And then whatever the third one is.
Must be Yorkshire. Oh look, there's another yellow sign, so maybe
that's going totally. That's going wherever.
Yeah. See, this is where we got to.
Yeah.
But so that yellow sign
so
must be down that bit.
It's going up there, yeah.
But even though it says no right away.
Yeah, but then again, you always go, as long as there's a sign there, you can't get that much in trouble if there's a sign. So regardless of what it says.
When we came that first day, this is where we had parked, walked up there, and then followed that path all the way up. So I've convinced David to come back this way. We walk down the hill and just get a different view. So yeah, we found the waterfalls. Now I promised him a country fry up. Bye everybody. David, say bye.
Bye.